I had a machinist I was training who wanted a better finish, so he slowed the feed rate way down. The machine got quieter, but the surface finish actually got worse. Why? Because the feed was below the insert's minimum chip load. Instead of cutting the steel, the inserts were rubbing, creating heat, inconsistent cutting forces, and a rough, smeared finish. The lesson: the feed override isn't a surface finish knob. Sometimes, the best way to improve a finish is to increase the feed enough to let the tool actually cut. Thanks for stopping by Chuck's Corner. Stay safe, stay sharp, and own the process.